don't cast. Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl insult, oh. I'm a mind that's you talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get both. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo. Don't cry, yo.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm all dressed up. I'm actually getting ready for my boyfriend's sister's wedding. But I went shopping. Well, my boyfriend and I went shopping the other day and I bought a new perfume. I've only seen a few videos on this. When I smelled this perfume in the mall, I was like, I'm not leaving without buying this. Yeah, we're in Austin. The wedding's in Austin. I was like, why not unbox this perfume? I am oiled up. As you know, oil with perfume lasts longer. So I also had a gift with the perfume. They even gave me 2 sample perfumes. I'm in a hurry, y'all. I'm running late. But y'all, look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God. That locks it. This doesn't. So let's see. Never mind. How you spray? How I spray? How I spray you? Y'all, I just wasn't pressing down hard enough. I'm done. Woo. Said I'm going to a wedding. We're gonna be out all night. It's a Nigerian wedding too. So I'm spraying in all the crevices. Oh my gosh, y'all, this smells so freaking amazing. Oh, I wanna be a wild rose. I love this. Okay guys, let's head to the wedding.
Maybe continue to celebrate one another.
We don't need a hot
using the Lord's drink.
Just so sad. We don't need a hot beat. Yeah, I was gonna say that. You started out by using the Lord's drink.
So we the fast over any obstacle.
Oh, your dimples are so cute. Another day, another outing. If I look tired, it's because I am. Literally have been up since 6 a.m. Have a board preps class that I had to take. I have 2 exams next week, so I've just been up studying. The only reason why I'm going out is because I've been up all day. But yeah, I'm about to head to a friend's kickback birthday thing, and I thought, you know, let me take my friends along. I haven't been taking y'all along with me. I've been living in the moment these days, but come to this kickback with me, guys.
3 days later.
Hey guys, so it's been a couple of days. I think the last time I talked to you, I was going to a kickback. Didn't get any footage because it was very intimate, and like, I don't know, pulling out a camera in an intimate setting is actually kind of embarrassing. So I didn't want to do that. I think my boyfriend came over. We went to food places, restaurants. I think I included all of that. Previously on, I still don't know how to vlog.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
But yeah, it's been a couple of days. I actually don't remember the last time I saw y'all. Sorry. But I'm on my way to brunch. It is 8:45 and like, it looks so gloomy outside. Wait, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all my outfit, and then let me show y'all. Actually, I was about to do something dumb and show y'all where I live, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all while I'm driving, but let's do an outfit check. Because the weather is so gloomy, like, I just did not feel like doing makeup. But I am, you know, casual. It is chilly outside. Ignore my room, y'all. I deep cleaned it yesterday, but you know, when you don't know what to wear, I originally planned on wearing something else, but it's fine. But yeah, I got the beige Telfeezy jacket, joggers, Crocs. Alrighty, guys, on my way.
Mr. G is idiot.
Hey guys, it's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's been about like 2 months since the last time I picked up the camera, and I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, guys. It's my last semester of classes, finals week. I gained 10, 15 pounds, more like 15. Like, it's just a lot's been going on. I've been moving out. As you can see, I'm living like a pauper. Yeah, but it's technically my last weekend in Austin. And yeah, I'm not gonna live here anymore. I don't know if I'm gonna post my why I'm leaving Austin video before or after this, but yeah, I'm done with my program. For those that didn't know, I am in a doctorate of physical therapy program, and I completed my didactic coursework. What is left is just clinicals. So Austin, there's no need for me here anymore. And I am excited. Again, technically my last week. I do come back next week to like pick up the remaining big things I have left. Hit dinner with one of my friends that lives here and turn in my keys. But I was like, you know what? Now that I have nothing, literally nothing else to do, I missed YouTube. Why not vlog? So come along with me. I want to buy candles for pretty much my favorite people in my class, my cohort. It's Christmas season, and yeah, I'm in the spirit of giving. All right, guys, let's go to Bath & Body Works. I sold my full body mirror, so this is all I have to show y'all the fit. It's low-key kind of ugly, but I don't care. There's nobody there to impress. It's just my classmates. No offense, classmates, but I know the fit is ugly. Plus, I packed everything. Like, literally, I have nothing left here.
Hold it now.
Not after just hitting it. Yeah.
Portia, you know it's a scratch. This is what winning. Portia, it was a scratch, you know. Portia, you know it was a scratch.
That's a winning ball, Portia.
Hey guys, it's the next day. Last night was crazy. Went to bed as soon as I got home. This morning I woke up, I worked out, started packing some more. I sold my hanging mirror, so that's why can't really see the outfit. I mean, there's really nothing to show. I'm wearing a jumpsuit and a cardigan with some Crocs, so it's like not really a big deal. Then I sold my mattress, and I forgot I had this blow-up mattress, but it's coming in clutch. But yeah, I'm about to go to Zara because I bought something online a couple of weeks ago. I need to return it. Hopefully they take it, but I feel like it's within the window. What else do I need to do? I need to go to Walmart, buy my mom's birthday gift. I also need to go to some of my classmates' place. I forgot to give them the gift I got them. So now I gotta go to each of their houses and drop it off. But it's fine, it's fine. It's my last night in Austin. I will be back next week, but it's literally just to finish getting what couldn't fit in my car and hanging out with a friend. But yeah, guys, come with me to Domain. Guys, I've officially finished moving out. Like, I can actually hear my echo. That's how empty this place is. I'm gonna do one last rundown, clean video, empty apartment. And yeah, I'm actually sad, guys. Get it together. Okay. My things, I'm taking those out with me. Everything's cleaned. Here is where I used to keep my tray, but everything's emptied out. I washed that. Literally washed everything. Sink. Wash the sink. everything's gone. Vacuum, cleaned, wiped down. Y'all, this was my first time living by myself, like by myself. I've lived outside of my parents. Like I went to boarding school in high school, college, had an apartment with friends after college. This is my first time living this wasn't my first time living by myself. And a more detailed video will be coming out, but I learned a lot here and I'm actually very sad. I learned so much. I grew here. Austin forced growth out of me. This apartment forced growth out of me. Very grateful for this wonderful opportunity. Moving back to Houston, moving back to my parents' house. But I mean, more growth is gonna be happening. Just wanted to say bye-bye to Bell South Park. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh. I'm literally like feeling like the Will Smith meme where he's just in the middle of his apartment, just sad. House, just sad. That's literally me right now.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run.